Hey everyone! For this week's ConferZoom tip and trick, we're going to go over how to download your Zoom caption files, and then we're going to upload them into YouTube. So if you've spent a lot of time making your Zoom cloud recordings captioned, then we definitely want to save all of that effort and put it right into YouTube. So let's get started. So first we're going to go to ConferZoom.org and sign in. And once we've signed in, we can access our recordings by clicking on Recordings to the left. And now we're going to find our item that we want to take the captions from. And once we click on it, we'll see the ability to download the audio transcript right here. This will download as a VTT file. That is exactly the kind of transcript file that we need it to be. You're welcome to rename it here, but don't mess with this, the dot transcript. We just want to rename it here. Let's say sample transcript file. And we'll click save. And that's it. We now have our transcript file in our downloads folder and we're ready to upload it to YouTube. So here I am at my YouTube channel, and I can either upload my transcript file to a video I've already uploaded to YouTube, or I can upload a new video by clicking Create. For right now, I'm just going to show you the quick version, which is assuming that you already have a video uploaded. You're going to click on whatever your video is, so we're just going to go to this one. And then you're going to click on Edit Video. And we're going to scroll down and click on Show More. Then we'll scroll down a little bit further and we'll see Language, Subtitles, and Closed Captions. We can upload subtitles by clicking on Upload Subtitles. And we're going to say with timing, because every time you download a file from Zoom that has your captions, it does have your timing in the file. And here's our transcript file. So we'll select it and click Open. And then we'll click Save. You will now see two different sets of subtitles. One is the YouTube set of subtitles, which is going to be automatically captioned. So you can just click on the three dots and click Delete if you want to get rid of it. And then this one that you have done will prevail. If you need to make changes to your captions at any point in time, all you'll need to do is go back into this YouTube video and download the captions file. And then once you have it on your computer, you can open up that text file by using Notepad, TextPad, Notepad++, whatever you have. Anything that's just a basic text editor, you're not going to be able to do it with something like Word, but something like Notepad or TextPad is just fine. And once you make those changes, you'll be able to replace the ones here on your video, and that will give you updated captions. Anytime you do anything like this, you'll need to make sure to click Save, so that way your changes are pushed out live to your video. So that's it for this week's ConferZoom tip and trick. If you have questions or concerns or just need help, go to hartnell.edu/pdc/guides/ConferZoom. Thanks for watching.